My name is Paradise and I'm happy to do yoga with you. Also, your comments are really motivating me, and I'm happy to continue capturing videos and doing some sessions. And I'm glad that you like it. With no more, let's get to the session. We're gonna work on our hips a lot today. Stretch your hands above your head, hands in front of the heart. You can put an intention for your practice in your mind. For me today is gratitude. Stretch both hands above your head for a twist. Right hand goes left knee, left hand goes back. Inhale and exhale deeply through the chest. Back to the center, both hands up and then rotate to the opposite side. Come back to the center. Sit down the way you feel comfy. Let's go for a tabletop posture. Inhale, head up, look up, exhale, round. Inhale, head up, look up, open your chest, exhale, chin to the chest, round your back. Continue. And from here, right leg up, open your hip, draw a circle, rotate, and try to get the balance on both hands. Squeeze your abdominal and change the direction. Don't think about it and just other way around. 2 and 1. Done. Stretch the right calf muscle back. You can play with it, rock forward and back a few times. And go ahead, bend the right leg, stretch the left leg back and try to catch. 3, 2 and 1. Let's go and let's go for the opposite side. Pull the leg up, left side up and open your chest. Nice one. Down on the mat. Press your hands, go to downward facing dog. Start to pedal your legs one by one. Inhale, head up, right leg up, three-legged dog. Open your hip. One, two, and three. Right leg between your hands. Left knee down for Anjaneyasana. Both hands up. You can look up or forward. Try to hold the hips level and your back straight. Nice. Hands press right leg back up and down on the mat for three-legged dog. Opposite side, left leg up, gently bend your knee. Open your hip a little bit more. Stretch. Breathe in. Look forward. Left leg between your hands, right knee on the mat. Anjaneyasana. It's alright if you lose a balance like me. 3, 2, 1. Frame your leg. And from here, hips back. Hands stretch forward for a child pose. Rest your head on the mat for one more breath here. Come back up. Stretch your legs forward. Right knee above, right ankle above your knee. For a seated pigeon, hands goes back. Sit tall and ground. I like to rock my leg right to left, left to right. Makes the opening and the sensation to feel easier or easier to feel. You can give it a try. Stretch your left leg forward. Bring the sole of the right foot inside the left thigh. Stretch your both hands above your head and fold forward on the left leg. Nice one. Come all the way up. Right hand back, left hand to the right knee. Look back for a twist. And come back to the center. Let's do the left leg pigeon pose. Hands back, open your chest and start to rock one way to another, right to left, left to right. Slowly and mindfully. Breathing into each point of the body, especially your hips. And here I had a guess. Very cute puppy around. Stretch your
Right leg forward, bring the sole of the left feet inside your right thigh. Stretch your both hands above your head. Fold forward on the right leg. Just let your back be rounded. No need to press too much here. And come all the way up. Bring the sole of the feet together for butterfly pose. Start to do butterfly wings, I call it. Moving the knees towards the mat. You can hold on to your feet with your hands. Smiling helps. Okay. With your big toes, press the sole of your feet open and press your elbows inside your thighs and fold forward. Nice one. Come all the way up. Hold your legs to your chest for a moment. And for the last pose, windshield. Hands back, both knees to the right and then to the left side. Feels really good. One more time, each side. And change to the opposite. Nice one. Come back to the center and sit comfy. Stretch your hands above your head and bring it to your chest. To chant once Om. Inhale. Om.
Thank you for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the hip opening yoga session. See you next time.